in, and this is absolutely beautiful packaging. You know, some of these boxes we get, and it's just like that plain color. No, this already is absolutely stunning. Now, this is the first time that I've actually used it, so I'm really excited. Ooh, okay. So this is the box. This is absolutely beautiful. And then it opens up just like this. Okay. Now I ended up getting 6 different items. On the website, they have different colors and different shades that you can use, but I ended up using the shades that were just a little bit darker because I am Latina skin. So let's go through this. Ooh. So you can purchase these individually, but what I did was I got the gift set. That way I could get a little bit of everything. So this is the first item. This is the Flower Nose Strawberry Rococo Series Hand Mirror. And look at this packaging. It is just absolutely stunning. Ooh, and this is the mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. It's like this beautiful strawberry rose gold color. And then let's take this little stuff off and see how that looks. Oh yeah, I can absolutely see myself. Look how beautiful that is. This is stunning. Okay. So this is the mirror. I love it. I really love the size too, because this is something that I can just throw in my car and I'm able to see the detailing, but I'm also able to see myself from far. Okay, I really, really like that. This is so exciting. And then the next item that I ended up getting, let's see. This is the blush. And this is in the, just this color blush, the 05 Berry Mary. Okay. Ooh, and this is the way that it looks. It has this beautiful waterfall with angels all around. I love that. Now let's open her up. Oh my gosh. You know what this reminds me of? Do you guys remember the 90s, the Polly Pockets? I love Polly Pockets. Oh my god. Oh wow. Oh, this color. Oh, oh wow. This is absolutely, oh, this is stunning. Okay, so it has a little mirror and then the blush. Oh wow. Okay, so it's not just plain. The blush actually has a photo on it with the texture, and just put a little bit. Oh, I love that. Oh, that is so pretty. That's really, really pretty. Oh, I love this color. Oh, this is absolutely stunning. Okay, so that is the blush. Let's move on to the next item. Let's see. Okay, this right here is the Flower Nose 5-color eyeshadow palette. Now again, this is the 04 Champs Misty Rose. All of the colors I ended up getting a little bit darker just so they could show up very beautifully on my skin tone. And what I really love about this brand from what I was reading is it can go really exaggerated, or you can make it very much of that like no makeup look. Okay. I love that. I love Asian makeup. Any type of Asian makeup or skincare, I'm all for. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. Okay. And same thing, has a beautiful little mirror. Let's take that off. I love the way that I can see myself. Oh, and these colors are divine. Oh wow. These colors are so pretty. Oh, I love the way that they looked. It says paint your dreams in strawberry red. That is so pretty. So we have a grayish blue, a darker pink, a baby pink. We have some sparkle. You know that a girl loves her sparkle. And then we have like a really light. So this would be, the light would go in your inner corners, just like that. And then you would work the darker colors right on the edge of your eyes. Oh my god, this is just me applying with my finger, girls, okay? Like this is just me applying with my fingers. The pigment is really nice. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow. Let's see, what else did we get? This is the Cloud of Lips series. This is in SO6 Tea Break. And again, this is just absolutely beautiful packaging. I am so excited. I don't know how I had not heard of this brand, but when I saw it, I just had to get my hands on it. And she's also done other beautiful collections. This one just really caught my attention. There's been a unicorn one, a circus collection, and they're just absolutely stunning. Okay, this is, oh my gosh. I have never seen such beautiful packaging like this in my life. Like this is stunning. This is absolutely stunning. So let's use that mirror again. This is so handy, okay? Let's see. Let's try that lip gloss. This is so beautiful. Let's try that. Oh yeah. So the lips are, it gives off a very matte color. Now I like a little bit of gloss, but I love how it's like very natural. It looks very yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. Wow. This is really so pretty. It's stunning. The matte, it just looks like very, very kissed on your skin. Oh, I love that. That's one of the things that I love about Asian makeup. It's just the fact that it really accentuates your features, but in a very just delicate way. And then lastly, so here is the brush. And this is the Crystal Pink. Oh, Crystal Pink, Crystal Pearl. Got that. Okay, this is the brush. And oh, that is so pretty. So the material is not bad at all. Like I definitely see myself using this. Oh yeah. You know, some of these brushes they come, they're like really flimsy, but this has texture and it feels like a bunny's tail. So pretty. And then what else did I get? Oh, look, I ended up getting for the new year. I love this. I have a couple of friends who are Asian, and this is something that they give for the Happy New Year, where they'll give to their loved ones and they get money in these red envelopes. So that's really nice. They give these out. And what else do we have? It just says thanks for the love. Oh, I love this, you guys. This is so beautiful. I mean, just this was just the application of just to show, like, I just put a tiny bit on my eyes and then my lips, and it is stunning. I am so in love with these colors. I love this.